Video tutorial by Andrew Buckle show you how you can use brushes, in particular spiral design brushes from Graphic Extras, but of course you can use any other kind of brushes to create some interesting 3D models. But combine those 3D models, I'm going to duplicate them and then use them in another application in a later video, but it's going to hold me a couple of videos run. So first thing to do, just quickly go to a layer, and this is in Photoshop, first part, and I'm going to do other videos using Affinity, which I'm going to use the design. So just going to add these brush strokes, and these are just, I'm just going to add a few, not going to add a vast number, so I'm just going to apply them over there. Now what I want to do is also add some colour to them, because they don't really work particularly well when it's just a one solid colour. We're going to use the depth map feature. So next thing to do, and I'm just going to put that as a layer, just to make certain, and a layer style, and gradient. Now the gradients I'm using are Graphic Extras ones, but obviously you've got a vast number of gradients that come with Photoshop. There's a whole range there you can just find, and they're great for just adding a whole range of different colour designs. And these ones are a gradient collection one, Graphic Extras, but obviously just quickly create your own as well. Now click OK. Now what you can do then is go to 3D and new mesh from layer and depth map and cylinder. Now this is one of the ones I really like. Cylinder. It's well, they're all great, but the cylinder is great for some really unusual 3D design. So just going to quickly create a 3D design. Takes a bit of time to process, and there is the initial design. I'm going to zoom in a bit because I want to use it for a bit bigger than that, and I'm going to slightly, I could rotate it around just to show you design. So there's the design. You can of course move it around heart's content, position you want. Now don't have to have shadows, just remove shadows, or you can have shadows if you want, no big deal. Now right, once you've actually got that, what you can do, you can just use it, obviously you can export it as a design. You just quickly go up to 3D and export 3D layer. That's one way. But you can also just use it as a normal layer. You can just say rasterize, and I'm just going to go rasterize layer. Right, now, of course I could have rendered it and all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to do that in this video. But what you can do now is it's a layer. You can actually just go up there and you can still see the spiral design. You can actually see the slight walk. There's obviously a bit of the spiral design zoomed in there. And now just go like that. So you can create very quickly all kinds of design. I'm going to fill most of the image with that, and I'm just going to resize that slightly. Up there, and so on and so on. So I've just filled the entire thing, sort of like a forest of 3D spiral design from brushes. Now, once you've actually done that, what you can do, just flatten it, and then you can use various filters, and you can obviously process this in thousands of different ways. And I've actually created some images, and then people said, could you show me how to create this design? And to be honest, to actually go through every single step without recording it at the time, it's, I think, impossible. But anyway, what you can do then is just go to my favourite one, stylize and oil paint, and you can see the oil paint effect applied. And I think with this, oil paint's just great for applying multiple times. It just doesn't really give a great result just with once. So I just love to sort of smear it in, and of course you can modify the settings and modify things. Now, so once you've actually done that, and I'd say you can actually apply other effects. You can just go to camera raw filter. It's quite a nice one. Just bring that up. Maybe just manipulate the design, highlight a particular area, or maybe add. And I always love the options for. I'm just going to go here to vibrant, so you can actually add some additional colour. But I'm just going to cancel that one. I don't want to do that. Now, you've also got image adjustments and vibrancy. So you can just make that more vibrant. Okay, there's other options as well to adjust the colour, which I quite like, to actually just tweak it just slightly, and that's just go to image adjustment and colour lookup. And this is probably one of the best ones, colour lookup. And you've got a whole range of different colour options. You can really just bring out odd different, really quite like that one. So just click OK. And there you have it. Just that's at this point for part one, a nice end point, nice sort of background design, but that isn't the end of the design. So I'm going to do another video in a short while following on. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.